Hello, guys. I hope you are doing very good. I'm doing perfect. I'm so happy today. I have a new menu. I have a new recipe today. So today we're gonna make a creamy sauce with shrimp and with salmon. We're gonna eat that with spaghetti. So what I have for my cream sauce, I have my butter here. I have my heavy mixed whipping here. I have my parmesan cheese. This is my garlic and white pepper that already blend, so I will use it to season my salmon and then put some in the sauce. So I also have my chopped onion here and my chopped tomato, and the parsley is right here. So let's just start by seasoning the the salmon and shrimp, and I'm gonna fry both of them. Let's just go doing it. You see how my fish look like? So did you see the slide here? So I slide my fish, so when you put your season, it's go inside the fish. You know, salmon fish is really has a lot of meat. So what I'm gonna do, I will put some of my season inside the meat like this. We put. So it's frying. The other side I already seasoned it. So what I'm gonna do now, I will put some my garlic and white pepper that I blend on the top. I put like this on the top. So when the bottom will be ready, I will flip it to this side. Let's switch it to the other side. So I finished with the salmon. I finished to fry my salmon. I put that on the side. So now it's time to fry my shrimp. So let's just do it. So it's time to put my butter. Then I will put my tomato and my onion. Let's just fry it. So I fry it for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I will just put my heavy milk and then put my parmesan cheese. So I will put my garlic and my white pepper that I blend the rest, and then put my seasoning, a little bit of salt, not too much. So I will leave it to boil together for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's time to put back my salmon and my shrimp. Just let me dump all the shrimp inside. So I will leave it in low temperature for about 5 minutes and it's good to be served. So after 5 minutes, I will just put my pasta just for the presentation on the top. To have that texture, that taste of green. Let's just put it this, and that's it. I will just take it out and serve it. Hello, here we come to the time to enjoy our foods. Let's just enjoy it. Look at the spaghetti. Wow, so good. You know, cooking with me is not a joke. Oh my goodness, I like it. I like it. I just wish I can eat that every day. It's just that with the cheese and the cream, all those things, kind of like a lot of calories. So I will do that sometimes, but not every day. But it tastes good. Please try this recipe. Try it. You will love this recipe. You will love it. So delicious. Let's try the salmon. You see our salmon here. We have the sauce. I love it. I just love it. This salmon is so soft. I love it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please try this recipe. You will call me, you will text me, you will comment that it's so delicious, so delicious. Please try it at home. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to comment, to like, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I love you guys. I will see you to the next video. Bye bye. Love you.